Today we'll talk about how can you use Bluesky app. So in the first, when you here when you sign out to your account, it's going to show for you like this here in the first. So in here, when you click on this sign, it's going to show for you a list like this. To go your profile, you just click on this sign here. Here you will find your profile. Here can you change your photo profile. So can you change it in this list? Just click on it, or you just click on edit profile. Sorry, you click on edit profile here. Then here can you change your photo profile in this list. Can you change your cover here? Here can you add display name in here description. So when you down click here on save, here you will find your post and your replays and your media and videos done your likes, and here fits done start here box in here lists. So here your followers and your following here in your posts. When you click on this sign, it's going to show for you like this, and here can you post, add your posts here. You write anything here. Here add photo from your gallery, in here videos, and here take a picture from or videos from your camera, and here GIF. So can you change language here? When you want to post, you click here on post. So then here when you click again in this list here, you will find here shots. You will find here all shots you have. So it's going to show for you in this list if you have it. So then here you will find all notifications. Here mentions in here all notifications here. So then here you will find fits. Here all fits, you will find it in this list. You will go back, then you click on this sign again. Here you will find your lists. If you have any list, you will find it in this list. Then here can you create your list here, add photo here, and list name and description. So then we will go back again, and we will talk about your settings. We will talk about profile. When you can you just click here, then it's going to take you to your profile, or can you click here? When you click here on settings, here can you add another account here. Here can you manage your account in this list. Your email, change email, your birthday, password, and handle. Here can you export your data and deactivate your account, and here delete your account. So here about privacy and security, here can you manage it. So in here moderation, can you find here can you muted words in text or moderation list, muted accounts and blocked accounts, you will find it. So can you manage here moderation in their content and media. So here can you manage it in this list here. So then here if you want to change appearance here, dark mode or light mode or color mode here, or font size here. So then here accessibility here, can you manage it here. And language, can you change language here, app language and primary language or content language here. So then here can you log out. When you click on home, here you will find all posts. Can you find here all posts. Here can you add comments, and here react, and here can you share this post. So then here in this list, can you translate and copy post text or send via direct message or share it. So here can you manage this post. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.